So we ended up grinding this down, and it looks like it might have been a little black speck. If you ever worked on these old cars, sometimes you can be cleaning everything and you notice little pinholes, black specks. That is cancer, that is rust. If you don't treat that with acid, with OSPO, you're not gonna get rid of it. You can try to grind it down, but you have to grind it really down to get rid of it because it might be just on the surface. The metal is clean. I don't have anything cancerous or rust. There's nothing behind this to have any rust coming through, and the other side we ended up stripping it down to bare metal and putting epoxy primer.